almost ready, but I need to get my hair bows. Help!
Here's a quick and inexpensive way to make an organizer for your hair bows using only an old canvas, felt, ribbon, and some staples. So take your canvas, photo side down, and center it on a piece of felt that's about 1 to 2 inches wider than the frame. You're going to fold under the raw edge and take your staple gun and staple the felt to the frame all the way around. Once you get to the corners, you want to treat it as if you were wrapping a present, folding it in and pulling it tight to make a nice corner. It really takes no time at all to complete this project. Use your favorite colors for the felt and the ribbon. Once you are all stapled, turn it over and get your ribbon. I used a 1-inch grow grain, and you cut it a little bit larger than your frame. Once you decide where you want them on your board, you're going to flip over your frame and staple down the ribbon, pulling it taut. And then for a neater appearance, I like to take my scissors and cut off the excess ribbon. Turn it over and you're done. You're ready to put on your ribbons. Clip on ribbons or poofs or any accessories and never go searching again. For easy access, secure a wire hanger on the back and hang it on your wall.
Look, I've got my bows! They were super easy to find, thanks to this handy dandy bow holder.